Hello everyone, we are doing a cooking tutorial on how to make biscuits, and my name is Mackenzie Howell. So first things first, we're going to talk a little bit about food safety. So to begin, you should always wash your hands, and this includes before cooking, and this also includes if you take any breaks from cooking. If you step away, you should always wash your hands. You should make sure that all kitchen equipment is properly cleaned and sanitized so you can make sure there's no cross-contamination. Make sure dairy products are refrigerated until needed. Avoid overhandling your dough. So, overhandling can cause the spread of bacteria, and you should ensure that you're cooking for the correct amount of time and temperature. Next, we're going to talk about the ingredients and equipment needed. So, first, we're going to need 2 cups of flour, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, a third of a cup of shortening or butter, and 3/4 cup of milk. And some equipment that you will need are mixing bowls, mixing spoon, a fork, measuring cups and spoons, a baking sheet, rolling pin, and oven mitts. Step 1, we are going to mix the flour, baking powder, and salt in a mixing bowl. Step 2, we're going to add the shortening and mix it in so your mixture starts to look like some small clumps as you can see pictured. And then at this point, I would preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 3, we are going to add the milk and stir together with a fork until moistened. And you kind of want your dough to start clumping up together as pictured as well. Step 4, on a floured surface, we're going to lightly knead the dough until smooth. And as you can see in the video, I started to do that and I did not show myself kneading all of it, but that was the start. Step 5, we are lightly rolling out our dough to 3/4 inch width, and we are cutting the dough into 2-inch rounds, and I just used a cup to push down into the dough so I could get perfect circles. And our 6th and final step is we are going to place our baking sheet with our rounds in the oven for that 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to do this for about 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. And now for our final product. So you're going to take your biscuits out of the oven. You want to let them cool so you don't burn yourself in trying to eat them. And then pictured on the right is the final product. Thank you.